Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to use WhatsApp AI on iPhone. So WhatsApp AI is actually Meta AI and you can use this to make a search without leaving WhatsApp. So if you have your WhatsApp updated and you have Meta AI on your WhatsApp, you're going to see some options at the top. For example, here you have the search bar where it says Ask Meta AI or search, and then you have the Meta AI icon up here if you'd like to go to Meta AI chat itself. So here you could chat and ask it anything. For example, we're going to ask for a recent event and see if it's up to date. So we just asked the question, who won the Euro 2024? So let's send it and see the answer. So here you have the answer, Spain won Euro 2024, which was held in Berlin. And you have some other details and some links to other websites. You could decide to give this a thumbs up because this is actual factual and you have your feedback submitted. Now, when we go back to the main chat area, which is the main dashboard, you also have the option to ask Meta AI or search. So here you could also do the same thing. However, you could use this as an option to search for contacts. So before Meta AI existed on WhatsApp, you have this option to search for contacts, but you could use this to search for your contact you're looking for or ask Meta AI to search for your contact on your mobile device. So this is how to use WhatsApp AI on iPhone.